Hi, my name's Ben Wright, VP of Growth here at Sendspark, and today we're going to be covering for you how colleges can use video to drive impact. So, in today's kind of digital world, video has emerged as one of the most powerful communication tools. And here's what we're going to be covering today to explore how you can use video as part of your college operations. We'll be covering why video as a medium and why it's so compelling. Secondly, why colleges need to rethink how they communicate with both donors, alumni, and current students. The third, we'll dig into some specific use cases you can use video for as part of your college operation by finally covering how to record good videos and giving you some tips there. Let's dive into the video. So the first part of this video is to discuss why video at all, right? And fundamentally, why video is a powerful communication method, I think, is the first thing to discuss. So video content is engaging and memorable. It contains both visual and kind of audio elements. So it really helps capture attention much more effectively than video alone. And so this makes video an ideal medium for important messages like thanking donors for their contributions or sharing, graduation wishes. Fundamentally, as well, videos can evoke emotions, and they can kind of tell stories much better than plain text. So this emotional connection fosters a sense of kind of loyalty, motivation, all these types of emotions, right? And so imagine receiving a personalized congratulatory message from your parents during your graduation via a video. And compare that with potentially just receiving like a congratulations card. Still very nice gestures, but video are much more. A video is a much more powerful way to connect and engage, and so that's why video is so important and so impactful, and fundamentally why I think colleges should adopt video a lot more than they are currently doing. So in the previous video, we talked about why video, why it's so compelling, and why you should be using it as a communication medium. But let's actually dive into some real life compelling use cases for how colleges can leverage video specifically. So I've got 7 impactful ways that colleges could use video today in order to drive impact across a number of different areas. So the first would be a thank you for donating video. So these would be personalized thank you videos that you can send to make donors feel appreciated and valued. And so a heartfelt message can really highlight the impact of their donation and make the experience really unique and memorable. And so you could send that every time somebody donates, and using a platform like Sendspark, which has AI personalization, you could have the dean record this video, and then every single person that donates would get a very unique personalized video sent to them. The second idea would be fundraising engagement. So you could engage alumni with regular video updates about fundraising initiatives. And again, if you want to add a layer of personalization, use Sendspark again, use AI personalization to make sure that every single alum receives a personalized video with that update. The third would be birthday videos. So you could send a personalized birthday video, from like a professor or somebody like that to alumni as well. The fourth would be like a video request play, where you could use a video request tool like we have inside of Sendspark to allow you to gather personalized messages from parents for various events and campaigns. So, for example, you could have parents submit a congratulatory video for their child's graduation, and you can all do that, using a software. The other would be a scholarship recipient, right? So you could highlight scholarship recipients through personalized videos, and you can show donors the direct impact of their contributions. The other would be an internal video to campus leaders. So, internal communications within a college, there's a lot that's sent out on a regular basis. So sending personalized videos can really help with that proliferation of communication, and really create, a sense of unity and a shared purpose. And then the final one would be, a more creative idea around how about, athletes, how about, recording athletes and talking through their testimonials of specific college programs to encourage future athletes to join your college or university. So those are some fundamental real life strategic use cases that you could use at your college or university today, leveraging the power of video. So if you've got this far into the video, hopefully you've kind of accepted the fact that you should be using video as part of your college operations. And so in this final part of the video, or the penultimate part of this video, sorry, we're going to cover a couple of best practices when it comes to actually creating video, right? What do you need to be doing as people at a college or institution to make sure that the videos you are sending out are fit for purpose? So there's really kind of, I guess, 5 tips that I would give to people that are about to record video, and specifically those that are sending them out, to alumni or to current students. The first would be to plan your content. So before you even start creating a video, really good to outline your video's purpose, your key messages, and any structure before recording. And so a well-planned video really ensures clarity and keeps the audience engaged. So regardless of the campaign you're launching, make sure you plan it first. The second would be to use quality equipment or software. So invest in good cameras and microphones to actually record the video. And then if you are going to use software like Sendspark for the AI personalization component, again, pick best in class like Sendspark, and don't go and downgrade and create videos that aren't going to be kind of fit for purpose. The third point would be keep it concise. So again, I go back to your audience, right? Attention spans are short. And so keep your videos concise and to the point. For longer content, you might want to break it into shorter segments or a variety of shorter videos. The fourth would be personalize when possible. So as we've talked about in a couple of the use cases, specifically like those use cases where you're wanting to get alumni to donate, or maybe they have donated, you want to ensure that they have a personalized video that's sent back to them. And now with AI and using platforms like Sendspark, you're able to customize videos with like recipient's name and stuff like that very easily through the use of AI. And then the final component would be just to edit. And so just take time to look at the video, make sure it's fit for purpose before you send it out. So in the same way you send out text-based communication and you're kind of editing it and making sure it's fit for purpose, make sure you do the same with your video. So those would be a few tips for you as it pertains to recording video, and some best practices there. So in the rest of this video, we've kind of walked through some very specific use cases as it pertains to using video for colleges. And so what I wanted to provide you with is a brief demo of the Sendspark platform, and specifically some of the features that could really help you leverage video in some of those use cases that we've currently discussed. And so the rest of this video is going to be a brief walkthrough of the Sendspark platform, covering off some of those key features and where you might find them interesting. So the first feature I wanted to show you about Sendspark is our dynamic video feature. And so fundamentally what this allows you to do is send personalized videos at scale. And so this can be really helpful, especially in those use cases where you're doing outreach to alumni or people that have donated to the university, and you want to provide them with that personalized video experience, potentially sending out, a video from the dean, which has their name on. Obviously, the dean of your university or college won't have time to individually record all of those videos. But using AI, what you're able to do is record one video and then add AI to it so everybody gets a fully personalized video. Now, how do you do that? So what I'm showing you at the moment is the Sendspark dynamic video modal. The first step would be to get, again, your dean to record an initial video, one video saying, hey, X, thanks so much for donating to our cause. Really grateful for you contributing money. You'd submit that video, and here you turn on our AI voice cloning. And fundamentally what that's going to do is listen to the video you've uploaded, learn your tone, learn your voice. And so when we start to add in these AI variables, it's going to sound exactly like your dean. The second component that we enable you to do, which is also useful for a donation use case, is customize the share page. And so fundamentally, this would come with your college or university kind of branding and color scheme, as well as some additional variables. But you can also add stuff like a CTA, which maybe kicks them into the cause that they've donated for and tells them more about the cause, etc. And so that's the second component. And then when you're ready, all you have to do is basically create a integration between your CRM or your donation platform and Sendspark, and videos would auto-generate every time they make a donation. Once the videos have been generated, these are kind of the style of videos that they would receive, and I'll play a couple. Hey, John, thank you so much for donating to our college fund. I really wanted to reach out personally and thank you for the donation. That'd be if John made a donation. This would be if James. Hey, James. Thank you so much for donating to our college. So a couple of levels of personalization that are happening, right? The introduction, hey James, hey John, unlimited names. The second component is this background. So it's auto generated. So you could have like your donation page display behind you. You could have, any page that's specific to the cause that they've donated for. So all of that is generated through AI, and can be really effective at generating those personalized videos at scale as part of those kind of, alumni or donation style use cases. The second component inside of Sendspark that we offer is the ability to request videos. And so another use case that we talked about was getting parents to submit videos for their children's graduation, right? And so inside of Sendspark, what we enable you to do is basically request videos from specific people. So there's this copy request link that would be sent out to the parents. They would receive a modal that looks like this. You'd enter in, your name, and your email, start recording. You can pick your options, and basically parents then can record a video, and it would then, it would open up in this modal for them. So they'd get an email from the university saying, Michigan University is requesting a video to commemorate your child's graduation. It would show the screen. They could then start recording and actually record their video on behalf of their child. And then when they've done that, it would basically drop into this library. And then from a college perspective, you can start sending these out to your students again via your CRM or marketing automation platforms. So again, a couple of the use cases we've talked about, they don't need to be complex. Inside of Sendspark, you have all these features available to you to really operationalize video across your college or university. I'll include a link at the end of this video if you did want to get started and book a demo with us to learn more. Thank you. So let's spend some time recapping what we covered today, around how colleges can use videos to drive impact. So the first thing we covered was why video is a communication medium. And fundamentally, it all comes down to it being engaging and memorable, and also creating emotional connections, fundamentally. And that's why it works so well for colleges. In terms of use cases specifically, we went for a bunch, but some ones that are top of mind is thank you for donating, fundraising engagement, and graduating parents campaigns, such as sending congratulatory videos to graduates. And then we finalized by kind of walking you through how to record good videos. So again, planning your content and using quality equipment, keeping videos concise and personalizing them, and then kind of editing them and making sure that the final product that you're sending out is high quality. Again, if you're looking to use software to make the whole experience a lot easier, we also showed you Sendspark and some of the core features inside of the product. But thanks so much for watching the video today. We have other videos on our website, and we hope to see you testing out Sendspark soon. Thank you.